Alright guys, this is going to be a quick and easy tutorial on how to deal with stasis in the new Destiny update.
Survival.
So this is pretty easy. Do it pretty quickly. So what you're going to want to do,
Every death will cost you, Guardian.
you're going to want to check the
Fight
roster
smart.
of the other team. See if they're running. Oh, okay, we got 1 stasis, 2 stasis, 3 stasis. So you might already be aware that they added a cool new feature on our ghosts that we can add mods. But what they didn't tell you is our ghosts can effectively counter stasis in this new update. What you're gonna want to do, you're gonna want to pop open your ghost and hold the O key. And you see that? I just effectively dodged the stasis user in a matter of seconds. Alright, that's it. So, thanks for watching.